Welcome to the Westport Library tutorial on how to access the Literature Resource Center published by Gale. Among many literary resources, this database includes author biographies, literary criticism, and a reader's advisory service. You can access most of the Gale Literature Resource Center from this main page. To start a basic search, enter your search term in the highlighted box. For instance, you could enter the name of an author, a title, or genre, and click on the magnifying glass. There's also an advanced search option. This screen shows you everything returned for that search term, starting with literary criticism. Results can be filtered by subject, author, publication title, and document type. You can also look at results sorted by biographies, topic and work overviews, reviews and news, primary sources and literary works, and multimedia. After clicking on primary sources and literary works, this screen displays the results for that search term and that filter. They are sorted by relevance. You can click on this box to sort by newest or oldest results or by title. To view a result, click on the title. The title of the document, its date of publication, and its source are detailed at the top of the screen, as well as a description of the file, which might be a document, an audio file, a photograph, or a website. On the right-hand side of the screen, there is a box labeled Explore, with other items like this one and a list of related topics. There are many ways to work with your document. Next to the Explore box, you'll see an option to send to OneDrive, send to Google Drive, email, download, or print. At the top of the screen, you'll see an option to cite the document, send the document as an email or to OneDrive or to a Google Drive, print, copy the link, or highlight and make notes within the document. To start a new search, click on the database logo at the top of the screen. Now that you've returned to the home page, there are other searches you can perform from here. The Literature Resource Center features collections for browsing. You can browse by list of topics. Click on Select a Topic to see a high-level list of all the subjects created by the Literature Resource Center. Within each topic, there are subtopics. Click on your selected topic to open it. You'll see a brief description of the topic. Click on Read Full Overview to see more. On the right-hand side of the screen, you will see a selection of related works. Click on the database logo to return to the home page. If you don't know the author, or if you are looking for a type of author, for example, by geographic region or gender, you can click on Person Search. Person Search lets you add additional delimiters such as ethnicity, nationality, gender, occupation, subject theme, literary movement, and place of birth or death. Click on the database icon to return to the main screen. Thank you for watching this tutorial on how to access the Literature Resource Center. If you have any questions, please visit the reference desk or email us at ref@westportlibrary.org.